Welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. It's very easy. You can just simply go to the Google and type Alien Tech Champion, and you'll open this YouTube channel, Alien Tech Champion, and you can learn anything related to the mobile devices, Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS, everything. So in this video I'm actually going to say you about this new blog which actually Tom with who is my friend has written this nice blog, and this is one of the nicest it's very nice blog, or I can say nicest blog to become an advanced level of expertise in related to in Microsoft Intune MDM or Power BI or any custom scripting or any kind of scripting. So as you can see on my screen, how we gonna show you how you can store the custom data remediation, and you can use that data in Power BI to build the report. So that, because the Intune has the limitations, right? It has the prevalent very less reporting. It's not much kind of reporting. You can see reports in the Intune console itself, but Microsoft has given options to you can do some scripting, fetch some report and build it in the Power BI or through PowerShell or any other scripting tool. So you can do some customization through remediation tool for Windows or any scripting you want to do, shell scripting, PowerShell scripting. You can do it, right? So this is very good tool. I have already made video for this blog in my video, how you can get around the limitations of Graph API in Power BI, like and also how you can use the Graph API data in Power BI, right? We have made video using this blog, which is actually very useful, and in fact I have used this blog personally and I like this. And he is the one of the I have seen most knowledgeable expert to building these kind of custom reporting or scripting. So if you go through this blog, I will not read through the entire blog, but as you can see, those who are already into Microsoft Intune MDM, they know what does means remediation. Remediation means it is only mostly used for the Windows machine, right? If you are managing Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 through Microsoft Intune, you can remediate proactive remediation through Microsoft Intune. So introduction, you can see here he has written very nicely. It is a short explanation why this was created and what is the use cases can be. So this originated during a migration from old MDM to Microsoft 2. In old MDM there was a script, right, that could gather custom information by using PowerShell and store inside a SQL database or any database. So after SQL queries could be used to visualize it to enhance reporting. But in Microsoft Intune, as I mentioned, outside of native reports, there is no possibility yet of custom reporting, right? So whatever the available in the native reports, that's it. You have to do, if you want to do for outside or something, you have to do the custom reporting. And this is actually set us being as an admin to find the solution that could gain us to old functionality, right? Or maybe get some more kind of custom reporting. So these solutions he'll be explaining here. These they require will require some of these following, like you must have Microsoft Intune, Remediation script or platform script, Microsoft Power BI, PowerShell, intra app registration, which is actually pre-requirement, and most important, graph API knowledge, and Power BI advanced query. I'm not sure if any of you or watching the video having the expertise of all these, like graph API, PowerShell, Power BI, Remediation script, and Power BI advanced query. I don't have, at least I'm not an expert, but that's why I'm preferring or referring this article here, which is expert by the expertise of my friend expertise. So what you can do here, you can read these prerequisites, and before you do something, right? So there is a prerequisite which actually you need to do, and which is most important, the app registration into Azure. So he has created the guide, and this one I have already made video. It had the step by steps, and I have already shown in my video as well how you can do the app registration and fetch this. There is a template as well, and you can see there are many comments, right? And you see, thanks for the post, right? This current requirement will deliver to both these get authentication header and change the functions. So it's actually so you can read it, and you can simply see right here there are many comments. So this is very good, right? You can read it, and it's very nice tool here. So you can read all this comment. I don't want to read all these article here. This setup is required once. So you can see this is the this setup is required once we have once you will visualize the data in Power BI. So what you want to create the remediations or platform script, right? What do you want to do with this? So maybe you're wondering how to create a remediation or platform script. You need to decide yourself, right? So you can go through this article. So from Microsoft Intune, you have to go to the devices, Windows, script and remediation, as you can see in this screenshot here attached, and you can create a custom reports, right? And then you can run the script, and you can select these options here, and it will go. After enabling, right, this column, you should see something similar, right? Pre-remediation detection output, it should be pretty much in the same if you use OneDrive for information script, and like this is for OneDrive. And then to make sure everything is correct, you can select a review button to fill the output, and you can also everything is correct, you can put into JSON output. So you can read this out script, and then you can import the data in Power BI. In Power BI, make sure you already have the setup all the prerequisites as I mentioned, and you can refer the old blogspot what he has written, how to get started in Power BI, and download the Power BI template using as well. Within the Power BI, you can invoke and through the script ID which you copied from the remediation script, as I from here I'll show you. So this is the remediation ID here, and then you can import the data like this. Once you import the data into Power BI, it will display like this one, and you can select the filter and all this. So you can go through this article, and once you close and apply, after the data is loaded, you can of course visualize as per your choice. So below is the screenshot, how actually feel free to use it as example to get started. And most important, you have to keep in mind that graph queries are limited to 100 rows. So which is in theory means its limit for one query is 1000 devices. So if you have a more devices, you have to call more query. You can do. He has already thoroughly explained in this video how you can get limitations. If you have any question, of course you can leave comment below here on this article, or you can mail, or you can comment on video, and I will get connect to him. I hope you learn something how you can store custom data remediation and use the data in the Power BI for reporting purpose outside the Intune. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. And don't forget and like and subscribe the channel, and also the blog, which is actually very good. Till then, thank you.